A lot can happen in a month. The seasons can change, relationships can start or end, or you may have finished a long work project. Your teeth have their own agenda too though, and not wearing a retainer for a month only speeds up what they want to do. Teeth have elastic memories, meaning that they will want to return to their natural positions before they were shifted by braces or Invisalign. This is the purpose of wearing a retainer, as the device prevents your teeth from shifting back into their natural position. A retainer does not shift teeth and will not be able to shift teeth back into position once they've already began to shift. It does, however, provide the best defense against teeth shifting when worn properly. So what happens when you've found your lost retainer after a month? It's been about a month and you have finally found your retainer and it's in good shape. So you try wearing it. Within a few minutes, you'll be able to immediately tell whether your teeth have begun to shift or not. If the retainer feels tight, your teeth may have begun to shift. You may wear your retainer if it's not uncomfortable. Wearing the retainer will keep your teeth from further shifting while you decide whether you need to see the dentist or not to evaluate your teeth. Pain may occur after a few moments of wearing your newly found retainer. If this happens, immediately remove the retainer and do not wear it again. This is a sign that your teeth have shifted significantly and wearing your old retainer will damage your teeth. Call your dentist and make an appointment to have your teeth shifted back into position again. The longer you wait, the more expensive it will be to have your teeth shifted back into the perfect position. Wearing a retainer that hurts may permanently damage a tooth and end up killing the nerves, requiring oral surgery to fix it. If your teeth have shifted too much and your current retainer causes too much pain, you may want to get a replacement set of retainers to keep them in position. Retainers from the dentist require appointments, exams, and potential x-rays. Sporting Smiles offers replacement retainers to keep your teeth in their current position without all the hassle and from the safety of your home. A new retainer can be the difference between 4 treatments of Invisalign or 8 treatments, which can equate to thousands of dollars. Not wearing a retainer for a month can result in your teeth beginning to shift back to their natural position. In as little as 1 week, depending on how recent you've had orthodontic work, your teeth will begin to shift. It may not be substantial, but with time, all the work that you've done to achieve that perfect smile will be wiped out. If you've lost your retainer, the first thing you should do is look for it immediately. The more time that passes, the more it's likely your teeth will begin to shift. If your retainer has been lost, or if you find it and it's broken or just too gross, there are thankfully a few options for you, including emergency retainers from Sporting Smiles. These emergency retainers can be yours in 6 to 7 business days guaranteed. But if you're not in an extreme rush, Sporting Smiles offers replacement retainers that require no dental visits, no need to leave your home, and at half the cost of the dentist. By ordering an impression kit, Sporting Smiles can craft you retainers to replace the ones that you've lost. Depending on the processing option that you select, you can receive a new set of retainers in 6 to 21 business days. The best way to prepare for the worst case scenario of not wearing a retainer for a month is to have a backup set of retainers on hand. Life is full of unexpected situations, and it's better to be prepared for the worst. Retainers are easily misplaced, broken, or stolen by pets who just love the smell of them. Keeping a backup set is the best way to stay prepared and to keep your teeth in place while you order a new set of retainers. Wearing a retainer is a lifelong responsibility once your teeth have finished orthodontic work. You'll need to replace your retainers every so often because the material in them loses strength over time and they become susceptible to snapping. Keep your teeth in the perfect position with a retainer at night and keep a backup set on hand for the unexpected. Not only can Sporting Smiles provide replacement retainers, but the #1 online dental production company can keep your impressions on file for life for easy reordering with 3D digital scanning. If you want to order a replacement set of retainers, all you have to do is click the link below.